Today, December 5th, a machine has been sabotaged at Intervala Manufacturing.
According to the owners of this business, there was a masked man who broke a $1 million machine.
The officials are on the scene now to find out who committed this crime.
Hello, officers. Would you like to take a look around the facility to figure out who sabotaged our machine?
Yeah, that sounds good. Oh, these pictures look nice. Maybe we take a look around the facility?
Absolutely. Let's get you some smocks.
Intervala is a full-service electronics manufacturing service provider specializing in complex, high reliability electronic and electromechanical systems.
You know what's not so cool about manufacturing?
What?
Sabotaging a $1 million machine!
You guys are the suspects of breaking the machine. We're gonna break you if you let me or not. What were you doing when the machine was sabotaged?
I was in the training room training a group of new hires how to solder.
I was in a different machine creating a recipe for a new product we're running.
What's that recipe?
It is a way that we process the circuit board. The circuit board is for a company called L3 that's going to go into a submarine.
I was back in our incoming inspection area working with the PCB inspector on a potential issue that we had with one of the bare boards for one of our customers.
I was in the production scheduling and planning meeting in this very room, as a matter of fact.
I was fixing a machine with my fellow colleagues in the mechanical engineering department.
Who are these colleagues?
One of them was I think his name was Chris, and John.
Why are you stuttering, buddy?
John.
Intervala Manufacturing can now go back to normal after the machine bandit has been caught and placed in prison.